first one has been pre-spliced all the way along, so now we're...
As you can see, picture and audio is reasonably good. Now this is just my first attempt, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So back here we've got a DVD player here with the disc in it, which is connected to this RF modulator set to channel 6, goes to this aerial, and then the TV's here. And you can see that we've got the aerial, the TV aerial here, and the little transmitting one here. And it's working pretty well. Even if I move the aerial away. And even if I take this aerial, because here it is, close, works well, take it away. The picture's still decent, even about a metre away, but then it just falls apart. Yeah. Picture and audio is still alright. But anyway, this is just the first attempt, because I've got a much more complicated plan that will involve more things, but we'll see if that works.
You strike a match.
Now this is not
a little piece of newspaper.
Now this is not actually using any aerial or anything. This is just connected direct up, and it turns out that -4 corresponds to channel 1 on this television. That's convenient. But yeah, now I know what channel to use this as a transmitter for. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, so here it is transmitting. This is what I've got. They're pretty close. And the picture's not perfect, but it's pretty good.
On the table I have a
sounds fine.
And in my hand I have
it's in colour, which is good.
Now I'm going to spread.
Anyway, now it's time to get this and this working. That's going to be interesting. This can't be right. What's going on? I'm spending way too much time on this. And this is just plugged in, this is not aerials or anything. These VCRs are just a pain. Well, it turns out there's an adjustment here, because it worked fine on the Philips, but this seems to be some sort of NTSC compatible or something. Yeah, it worked on channel 38 on the Philips, but here it was only on channel 14 and really weird, so I'm going to be adjusting it and we'll see if anything happens. Okay, with some slight adjusting it works fine now. Now what channel is channel 14 or something? Oh, yep. Oh, never mind. Oh no, now it works on 15, so... Ooh, that's exciting. I only adjusted it a little bit. Oh, weird. Anyway, let's see if I can figure out how to get it to pass through. Because I just want the video to go through it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that though. The manual does not help very much at all. Okay, well I'm not sure if this counts, but I have got it to transmit something. So let me just show you what we've got so far. We've got this VCR here, and its aerial, yeah, the TV cord goes along here to this aerial on this side. So yeah, it's to this aerial. Then this aerial is connected to this TV at the back, and you get this auto setup screen, and then the cord goes, yeah, then this TV is connected to this RF modulator, which I ran out of aerials, TV aerials, so I just got some crocodile clips to these boom boxes, which is then being received by this TV here, which is getting the auto setup screen. So actually, yeah, Oh, actually, my actual aim had been to use the DVD player, but I just realised, of course, it's a VCR. I'll just play the tape that's in it already, and we'll see what happens. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Yeah, the audio is just sort of vanished. Let's see if I turn it on this one. Oh, there's audio. I don't know if you can pick it up, but I can hear some faint audio. But there you go, and it... Oh, whoops. Oh, so yeah, I'll just prove it's connected. If I change the channel on this one goes. So it is it's transmitting. Yeah, the signal's going from the VCR to those aerials. From the aerial transmit to the other one to here, and then transmitted from here to here. Yeah, this is ridiculous, isn't it? Anyway, there you go. When it would be much easier to just plug things together, I have just created a huge network of complete nonsense. Now, I was really struggling with this VCR. I couldn't figure out how to get the DVD player to go through the VCR. It turned out all I needed to do was press input, and it immediately switched from the VCR, from the tape deck to the input at the back. So that was easy.